Video on how to transfer anything from your iPhone to your Mac or PC. So you guys want to use this app. It's actually free right now. It does originally cost money, but it's originally right now free. So if you guys just make this video, you have to pay for it. It's not the end of the world, but I do videos like this, so definitely make sure you guys subscribe, turn notifications on. But this is the app you guys want. So I have a link for it down in the description. It's called AirDisk Space Pro. All you're gonna do is tap open up, and that's basically it. So any file you can basically export to this app, you can basically just export it right over to your Mac. So I'm just going to give you an example. You can press on the plus. You can do a photo, video, text file, library, voice record, anything you want. So I did a random text file. And I just did hi. That's all I did. Hi. Just like that. So now all you want to do is just tap on the bottom right where you see to refresh. You want to tap on that. And there you go. You transfer this to another iOS app. I guess I'm pretty sure you would have to have the app installed. Or you do iCloud sync in, or you do your Mac-PC file transfer. So it's basically like a link you go to. So I'm gonna do the file. I'm gonna do the Mac PC file transfer, and then basically right here it's gonna say connect to your iPhone, iPod Touch, and computer to the same. So make sure they're the same Wi-Fi network, and then you want to enter the HTTP, which is down here, which says http://brands-iPhone-x-dot-local. You want to put that in as your website. So put that in directly as your website. If you go on Google and you search that thing up for Google, it's not gonna come up. You want to put that directly in your search browser. So whatever you're searching for, you want to put that directly in there. So I'm gonna show you guys. So you want to put that in, and then you want to press enter, as you guys already see, and then you guys should they should come up, and it should basically have all your files you have there. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. So there you go. So as you can see on top, we have what I typed in before. That's basically, I said, make sure you guys type in the HTTP. I don't know why it's not coming up, but I mean that's what I put in. I put in exactly what I saw before. And then there you guys go. I have two files. I have the original one, the help one, and I have my text documents. You just tap on wherever you want, and it opens right up. And that's basically it. Oh, cannot connect to the server. So it's basically because I'm on the camera app, and I'm not on the app anymore. So I actually switch over to the app. Now it'll actually work. So now I'm going to refresh the page. So you have to be on the page. See, I just went back to the app, and I went to my text file right here. Hi, now it's working, and then there you guys go. So yep, there you go. And also you just tap on wherever one you want. And you also just tap, you can download if you want. You just tap on download right here. So that's really it. And then it's going to download it. I'm not on the app anymore, so that's why. But thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.